Hello, everyone. Today's lesson is very useful for daily life. We often stand in line at the bank, in a shop, at a ticket counter, or even at a bus stop. But do you know what to say in English when you're in a queue? Don't worry. In this lesson, we will learn simple and useful English phrases that you can use when you're standing in a line. Let's begin. Is this the end of the line? Are you in the line? I think you skipped the line. Please wait your turn. The line is moving slowly. How long do we have to wait? Is this the line for the counter? Who's next? Do they accept cards here? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more useful English lessons. Thanks for watching.